The case of the invisible application. Just another Tuesday morning. Coffee is brewed, ticket queue is, well, it's the ticket queue. Standard stuff, password resets. My computer is slow, printer jams. Then this one comes in. Cannot locate essential application. Okay, simple enough. Could be uninstalled, shortcut deleted, profile issue. I call the user, a relatively new hire in accounting. Me. Hi user, I'm calling about your ticket regarding the missing application. Can you tell me which application it is? User, oh, it's the big one. The one everyone uses for reporting. Me, right, is that the dollar reporting app application? User, yes, that's the one. I can't find it anywhere. I need it for my quarterly reports. Okay, reporting app is our main reporting software. It's installed on every standard user machine. It's got a bright blue icon and is usually pinned to the taskbar and has a shortcut on the desktop. Hard to miss. Gun me. Okay, user, let's try finding it. Can you look on your desktop? Is there an icon there for dollar reporting app? It looks like a blue circle. User, sound of clicking. No, it's not there. I looked. That's why I put the ticket in.